Good morning, everyone. I hope so. You all are fine. Till now we have done exercise 6.6. So, today we are starting exercise 6.7. So, what is 6.7 exercise here? You can see in question number A is compare the following fractions. Here we have to compare the fractions. We have to put the sign of the greater than or in equal to in the given circle, right? So, here you can see the first part is given. This is 4 by upon 7 and 4 upon 5 we have to compare. So in previous exercise, we were comparing the like fractions. Like fractions means when the denominators were same. So we were just comparing the numerator. But here you can see here when the numerators are same, but the fraction different. This one denominators are different. So what we will do when the numerators are same, the fraction with the smaller denominator is greater. So this thing you have to keep in your mind. The denominator which is smaller, actually the fraction will be the what greater. So compare, numerators are same. Now compare denominator 7 and 5. Which one is smaller? 5. So this one fraction 4 upon 5 is the bigger one. So here the sign will come of bigger one, right? Now 3 upon 8 and 3 upon 4, again numerators are same, denominator different. So again keep in mind the denominator which is actually the smaller one, that fraction will be the greater one. So here 8 and 4. So which one is the smaller? 4. So fraction 3 upon 4 is the greater one. So 3 upon 4 is the greater one. Here 5 by 6 and 5 by 3. So numerator same, denominator 6 and 3. So which one is smaller? 3. So fraction 5 by 3 is the greater than by 5 by 6. Right? The sign will come this side. Now, if when the numerators and denominator both are different, here you can see this is 7 by 8 and 3 by 4. Both are different. So how we have to compare? We will do by cross multiplication. Right? Comparing by cross multiplication means like this you can see here. This 8 we will multiply with this numerator, and this denominator we will multiply with this numerator. You can see here this 4 sevens are 28 and this 8 threes are 24. So 28 and 24, which one is bigger? 28. So this one, right, this one from where we are getting this 4 7 are 28. So 7 upon 8 fraction is the bigger one than the 3 by 4. Like this we will compare. Now the fifth part is 5 by 4 and 2 upon 3. Again numerator and denominator all are different. So compare by the cross multiplication. So multiply 3 with this 5. 3 5s are 15 and this 4 2s are 8. So from 15 and 8, which one is bigger? 15. This one part, 3 5s are 15. So 5 by 4 is greater by 2 by 3. So sign will come this side. Now 5 by 20 and 1 by 4. Again cross multiply. This 4 5s are, see 4 5s are 20 and this 21s are 20. Which one is bigger? You can see 20 and 20 both are same. So equal sign will come, means both fractions are equal. Now question number B. Arrange the following fraction in ascending order. Same you can see, look, you can see here numerators are same but the denominators are different. So what we will do, we will compare the denominators, we will arrange it in the order of this one. You can see from bigger to smaller, and you know the fraction which having the bigger one, which one bigger one denominator, that is actually the smaller. Okay, so see, arrange, this is 8, right, 8 is bigger one, and then after that 6, then this 5 and then 2. Now take the fraction, this 3 by 6, sorry, bigger one is this 8. So 3 by 8, actually this is the smallest one fraction. So 3 by 8 greater than this 3 by 6 and then 3 by 5 and then 3 by 2. So keep this thing in mind, the denominator which having the actually the bigger value in denominator, that fraction will be the smallest one, right? So here see, this is 1 by 4, 1 by 7, 1 by 2, 1 by 9. Numerator same, compare denominator from bigger to smaller. Arrange 9, 7, 4, 2. Now this 9, which one fraction? This one 1 by 9. So 1 by 9 is the smallest one. So we are arranging from ascending order, means smaller to bigger. So 1 upon 9, then 1 upon 7, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 2. Similar here, this is 2 by 8, 2 by 4, 2 by 2, 2 by 1. Arrange the denominators from bigger to smaller. This is 8, 4, 2, 1. So fraction which having 8 in the denominator, that is the smallest one fraction. So 2 by 8 will come, then 2 by 4, 2 by 2 and 2 by 1. So like this we can arrange in the descending order. Now for descending order, arrange the following fraction in the descending order. So you have to compare the denominators again. You can see here, this is 11, 9, 8, 7. So you know the fraction which having what, this one, bigger one value of the denominator, that is actually the smallest one. So we are arranging from the smaller to bigger to smaller descending order. So smallest is here 6. So take this fraction, 7 by 6 is the bigger one, arrange, then 7 by 8, then 7 by 9, 7 by 11. So you can see in this already, in this order only they given the answer, right? So don't be confused, answer will come same. Now this 8 by 7, 8 by 9, 8 by 5 and 8 by 11. Arrange the denominators, compare 11, 9, 7, 5. So the denominator having the smaller one value, that will be the bigger one. So 5. So which one is 5? This one, 8 by 5, then 8 by 7, 8 by 9, 8 by 11. You can arrange like this. Here also 5 by 4, 5 by 12, 5 by 3, 5 by 15. Arrange 15, 12, 4 and 3. The fraction which having the smallest one denominator, that will actually the bigger one. So 3 who having 5. So this is 5 by 3, then 5 by 4, 5 by 12, 5 by 15. So this we have arranged in the descending order. So please do the practice of the same and complete your work. Thank you.